Theta Network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm going to discuss the price of Theta Network in the future. When will the price pump of Theta Network quick jump? When will the Theta Network price will take a quick jump? In this video, I will share the latest update and my personal opinion with all of you, my friends. So just keep watching this video complete, and I request all of you that if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. Now this time the latest price of the Theta Network is $6.38. $6.38 is the currently latest price of the Theta Network. And furthermore, my friends, if we discuss the price changes, so you can see that only the yesterday the last 1 day changes is positive, and except of these the last 1 hour and last 1 week changes is of Theta Network is very negative, very bad. You can see $6.38 is the current price. The price of Theta Network is fast down from $12.11 to $6, my friends. So that's really, I'm very sad about this, my friends, that's really a big loss of all Theta Network holders. But don't, my friends, don't worry about, my friends, and my friends, everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. You have to just patience, my friends. Be patient. Wait, my friends. And my friends, don't be mad. Don't decide to sell Theta Network on this price, my friends. If you decide to sell, so my friends, that's really a big mistake of all of you, my friends. Don't decide to sell Theta Network on the current price, my friends. The current price is very low price. Wait for it, my friends. And you know what, my friends, there is a possibility that after 10th July, the Theta Network will take a quick jump. And if they take a quick jump, so my friends, we will also get profit from a Theta Network after 10th July. In the July month, my friends, they will again going to hit $11-12, my friends. That's my personal opinion. That's my personal target for a Theta Network. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your target for a Theta Network in the July month? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.